I challenge you to try Pinterest affiliate marketing for the next 90 days without a website, without running ads, and without spending a single dollar upfront. Because using this exact strategy, I've made hundreds of dollars in affiliate commission with no upfront cost. And the craziest part, some of the pins I posted weeks ago are still bringing me traffic today. But here's the problem. Most people getting into affiliate marketing are told to build a website, create a funnel, and run paid ads. And by the time you pay for domains, tools, and traffic, you're either breaking even or losing money. Meanwhile, Pinterest works completely differently. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this 90-day Pinterest challenge works, why it's one of the simplest ways to start affiliate marketing right now, and what you need to do starting from day one. Now, before I show you how this 90 days challenge works, you need to understand why most people never make money with affiliate marketing in the first place. Because if you follow the same path everyone else is following, you're probably going to struggle too, because you're going to get the same results that they are getting. Now, most beginners are told to do three things: build a website, create a funnel, run ads. And on paper, that sounds great. But in reality, it creates a completely different problem. Because now you're paying for domain, you're paying for tools, and sometimes even paying for traffic, all just to earn a small commission from someone else's product. And by the time you subtract all those costs, you're either barely breaking even or you are losing money. That's why so many people quit before they ever see results. So naturally, people try to avoid those costs by going to social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram, thinking that it's all about just posting content. So they post and make sales that way. But that comes with its own problem. On TikTok, you need to post constantly in order just to stay relevant. And even if you get views, turning those views into affiliate sale is a completely different ballgame entirely. And then there's Instagram, where unless you already have an audience, you're basically posting into the void. No reach, no clicks, no sales. And this is where most people get stuck. They either spend money trying to make affiliate marketing work, or they burn out trying to get traffic for free. And this is exactly why Pinterest is such a better idea to focus on, because Pinterest doesn't work like any of these platforms. It's not built around followers. It's not built around going viral. And it definitely doesn't require you to show your face every day. Pinterest is a search engine, which means people are not just scrolling for entertainment. They are actively searching for solutions. And when someone is searching, they are much closer to clicking and buying, unlike when someone is doom scrolling. So you're not chasing attention. You are showing up when people are already looking. But here's the part that makes Pinterest really powerful for affiliate marketing. Your content doesn't disappear. On most platforms, your content could last for about 24 to 48 hours and then it dies. But on Pinterest, a single pin that you create today can keep bringing you clicks, leads, and even affiliate sales for weeks and even months, which means instead of constantly chasing traffic, you are building a system that compounds over time. Every pin then becomes an asset. And this is exactly why this 90-day challenge works so well, because Pinterest isn't about instant results. It's about building momentum. It needs time to understand your content, your keywords, and who to show your pins to. And once that starts happening, that's when things begin to snowball. So let me break down exactly what you should be doing over the next 90 days to make this work. Now, the first month is the foundation. This is the phase where most people overthink. But honestly, nothing needs to be perfect here. Your only goal is consistency. So at this point, you're literally just training the Pinterest algorithm and building a content base. Now, under this is where you're going to set up your business account. Now, creating a Pinterest account is easy, and to turn it into a business account, you simply want to head into settings, go to your account manager, and simply head here, convert. This is a business account already, so that's why it's saying convert to a personal account. If this was a personal account, it would say convert to a business account, and you can just click on convert account right here. The next thing you want to do is you want to optimize your profile with keywords. And that can be seen in the kind of name that you pick for your Pinterest account. For example, this is like natural hair growth tips for Black women. So it's literally very, very relatable on what this Pinterest account is about. And then it should also be seen, that's your keyword, should be seen in your about section. So you can see helping women grow healthy hair using simple routines, natural hair growth tips, protective styling ideas, and the likes. So you can literally tell that there are keywords in relation to the kind of niche that this Pinterest account is about. Again, you want to create around 5 to 10 niche specific boards. Now, this is basically you telling Pinterest what your account is about. When you head into your profile, when you click on create, you can create different niche specific boards. So some could be about natural hair tips, some could be about natural hair care products. That's, of course, if you are going with the natural hair care for Black women. So you want to give the board a name. So let's say I'm choosing protective styles for natural Black hair, and I'm simply going to hit create. And this is how you go ahead to create different niche specific boards under your broader niche. And then as I create pins, I can then go ahead and add pins to the board. And then you want to set up your affiliate link and bridge page. Now, since we're doing this without a full website, you need a simple place to send your traffic. This could be a direct affiliate link, but that is not really allowed on Pinterest. So you need to have a bridge page where you provide some form of value. Then you can place your affiliate link. It could be a simple blog like Medium, which is absolutely free to use. You could also make use of link in bio tools, nothing complicated, something just really simple. Now, your only job for the first 30 days is this. You want to get your pins out consistently. Aim for about 3 to 5 new pins per day plus 2 to 3 repins per day. So new pins and repins, that's just like variation of pins that you've already created. Or even better, you could batch create 50 to 100 pins in about a weekend and schedule them all at once. So it makes it easier because your pins are then going out at the time you schedule them. Now, creating a pin is not hard. You can easily do that with Canva. So take, for example, we're going with the natural hair for Black women. So with Canva, there are a lot of templates. You can see I just searched hair care pins, and there are several templates that you could just edit the picture, make it much more Black women friendly, and add a little bit of text here, which will be like the content of the kind of pin you're trying to create. Now, what kind of pins do you create? The first kind of pin to create are problem-based pins. Another one are how-to pins. Another one are list-style pins. Another one are curiosity hook pins. Now, problem-based pins are like pins that focus on solving a particular problem under your niche. For example, you could say something like natural oils that help to strengthen your hair, or natural oils that help with hair breakage. Those are problem-based pins. How-to pins could be how to create a simple protective style for your natural Black hair. List style could be something that includes like 5 things to know about natural Black hair, 5 things to 7 things, 10 things, 11 things. Those are list style pins. Then you have curiosity hook, something that actually intrigues people, like, did you know? Something of that sort. Now, at this point, you do not want to focus on results yet. No clicks, no sales, no analytics. Don't focus on that. This phase is more about training the system because Pinterest needs data to understand your niche well and know who to show it to. So the more you post, the faster it understands your niche. Now, for the next month, which is day 31 to day 60, at this point, Pinterest, starts to understand your content because, you've been posting 3 to 5 pins daily. And this is where most people either get excited or they quit too early. Now, here is where you want to expand on keywords. You want to go deep on long tail keywords because at this point, there are lesser competition with long tail keywords. So instead of going with something broad like hair care, you want to go more specific like 4C hair care for women under 30. That is more specific. Also, at this point, you want to be testing variations of your best pins. You want to change the headlines, change the design, tweak a little bit of the colors, a little bit of the font size, tweak the hooks, tweak the angles. And also you want to introduce better click strategy. You want to improve your click-through with simple call to actions because you could have a good pin, but if your call to action is really bad, it is going to still leave your click-through rate missing a lot of clicks. So you want to improve your click-throughs by using simple call to actions like learn more, see how, get the full guide here, and all that. Also, you want to add more boards. This is actually optional though, totally dependent on you. So at this stage, you're not guessing anymore, you're literally testing. Now, the third month, which is day 61 to 90, this is where things start to get exciting because now you're working with real data. You have been putting in the work for about 60 days now, and you're going to be seeing some certain level of data in terms of impressions, winners, conversions. At this point, you want to first of all identify winners. What are your winning pins? You look at each pins getting impressions, clicks, saves. These are the ones that are actually capturing the attention of your audience, and you want to focus on those. And then when you find those winning pins, you then create 5 to 10 variations of those best performing pins. You want to tweak the design, tweak the colors, tweak the hook. It's the same pin, but just a different angle. And then you push those angles harder because those are the angles that really resonate with your ideal viewer. And then you refine where you are sending traffic, your links, your bridge pages, your offers. You want to make sure it's tight. You want to make sure the flow is good. You want to make sure that when people get on your bridge page, when people click on your offers, when people click on your affiliate link, they're able to quickly understand what that affiliate product is about. They're able to quickly understand the value it gives, why they should purchase it. And it's super straightforward, nothing vague, nothing unrelated. So at this point, you're no longer starting from zero. You're optimizing a system that's already working. So you find what works and do more of it. Now, once everything is set up, your system becomes very simple. Your pins go out every day. Remember that you schedule pins ahead of time. You're also doing a few repins based on the pins that are winners. And you're also checking your analytics once in a while. And this could be weekly, just to see what's doing well, how things are going, and how you can refine things. That's it. Now, this isn't about going viral. It's about building a system where your content works for you long after you post it. Now, once your Pinterest starts bringing in traffic, the next step is making sure that traffic actually turns into clicks and commission, because getting traffic is one thing, but turning that traffic into actual results, that's where the real game starts, especially if you're promoting more than one product. And I usually recommend, keeping it to one or two, the minimum, especially when you're starting. You need a simple way to organize everything in one place. And that's where something like an affiliate store comes into place. So if you want to see exactly how to build a free affiliate marketing store and set it up in a way that actually converts your Pinterest traffic into clicks and sales, then you want to check out the video you see on your screen right now, where I walk you through step by step how you can do that. Ciao.